Good morning, dear students. Today we discussed about some therapeutic uses of prostaglandin and leukotriene synthesis, then their antagonists. Previous class we discussed about prostaglandin synthesis and their pharmacological actions. Today we discuss the therapeutically used prostaglandin analogs, that is PGE1, misoprostol, gimiprost, ripoprostol, alloprostol, PGE2, enoprostol, dinoprostol, and PGF2 alpha, latanoprost, dinoprost, carboprost, PGI2, ipoprostol. Then the therapeutic uses of prostaglandin mainly in abortion for the first and second trimester abortions and repairing of cervix during abortions. PGE2 and PGF2 alphas are mainly used. Mifepristone, that is PGE1 derivative, which is given orally for abortification purpose. It is used with mifepristone to induce abortion in the first week of pregnancy. Carboprostol PGF2 alpha derivative, this mainly inducing second trimester abortions. Facilitation of labor, this PGE2 as alternative to oxytocin in patients with renal failure. Cervical priming, intravaginal PGE2 is used. Postpartum hemorrhage, intramuscular PGF2 alpha is used as an alternative to ergometrin. This is used in GIT, that is peptic ulcer. PGE1 and PGE2 are used for the prevention of peptic ulcer in patients on high dose NSAIDs. For in case of patent ductus arteriosus, that is a patency of fetal ductus arteriosus, this depends on local prostaglandin synthesis. Neonates with some congenital heart disease, patency of the ductus arteriosus is maintained with prostaglandins until surgery is done. This is also used to prevent the platelet aggregations during hemodialysis. Prostaglandins are used in pulmonary hypertension, peripheral vascular disease. PGI2 preparation, ipoprostol, mainly lowers the peripheral, pulmonary and coronary resistance. Longer acting PGI2 analog, that is triniprostinol, IV or subcutaneously, is recently approved for the use in pulmonary hypertension. Is the role of prostaglandins in pregnancy. PGI2, this mainly promotes the cervical repairing. Exogenous PGE2 is used as pessaries or gels in the induction of labor. In PGF2, this mainly increases intracellular calcium, which increases myometrial contractility. Majorly this used due to less side effects. PGI2, that is prostacyclin, this mainly inhibits uterine contractility, but its mechanism of action is not clear. Yes, the side effects of PGD2, this mainly shows asthma, fall in BP, clotting time increases. PGE2, this mainly causes watery diarrhea, diuresis, rise the body temperature, pain, sedation, no closure of ductus arteriosus. PGF2, this mainly causes side effects like contraction of uterus, dysmenorrhea and asthma. PGI2, diuretic effects, fever, algesia, inflammation, clotting time increases. These are some uses of prostaglandin analogs. These most common therapeutically used one are misoprostol, gimiprost, alloprostol, dinoprostol, latanoprost. This mainly this PGF2 alpha. This very useful in case of glaucoma. And for this abortion purpose, PGE1, this mainly used mifepristone, and PGI2 categories mainly used for this prevent the platelet aggregation in cardiopulmonary bypass and pulmonary hypertension. Next we come to this leukotrienes. What is leukotrienes? These are the intracellular signaling molecule that evokes a variety of responses and is the best known as the potent promoters of inflammations. Leuko means white blood cells. Trienes, that is the 3 conjugated double bonds. This mainly synthesized from the arachidonic acid metabolism. In arachidonic acid metabolism, there is 2 pathways, COX and LOX, that is cyclooxygenase and lipoxygenase pathway. From this cyclooxygenase pathways, we can synthesize prostaglandins. From this lipoxygenase 5-LOX pathway, we can synthesize leukotrienes. Okay. Go to the history. The name leukotriene, this mainly introduced by Swedish biochemist Bengt Samuelsson in 1979, comes from the word leukocytes and trienes, that is the compounds 3 conjugated double bonds. Then this later is named as leukotrienes. is the slow reaction smooth muscle stimulating substance, that is SRS, was originally described between 1938 and 1940 by Fledberg and Kelvin. The researchers isolated this SRS from lung tissue after a prolonged period following exposure to snake venom and histamine. This is the arachidonic acid pathway. From this cyclooxygenase pathway we can synthesize prostaglandin. From lipoxygenase pathway leukotrienes can be synthesized, and this leukotriene receptor antagonist zeolitin, montelukast, cephalosporin, all these blocking this pathway. So then when this block this 5-lipoxygenase pathway, this blocks the production of leukotrienes. This is the leukotriene synthesis, that is this can be synthesized from arachidonic acid, and this from this 5-LOX pathway mainly lipoxygenase enzymes are the great role in this synthesis. We can synthesize different types of leukotrienes A4, C4, D4 and E4. Leukotrienes, these are the potent lipid mediators formed from the arachidonic acid through multiple enzymatic steps. Cysteine leukotrienes C4, D4, E4 and B4. Importance in the clinical cause and physiological changes of asthma. This is leukotriene synthesis. The main important pathway is 5-lipoxygenase and 5-lipoxygenase activating protein, that is FLAP. This takes a major role in this the conversion and the synthesis of leukotrienes. This leads to the production of a unstable intermediates, is LTA4, and this LTA4 is synthesized by the enzyme LTB4 is synthesized by the enzyme LTA4 hydroxylase. Same way this C4 and A4 can be synthesized. LTC4 is produced primarily by mast cells, basophils and eosinophils. LTB4 is produced primarily by neutrophils, monocytes and macrophages. These are the LTA4, this LTC4, D4, E4, all these called as the cysteine leukotrienes due to the presence of amino acid cysteines in their structures. LTA4, there is the 4 double bonds, 3 of them conjugated. This the C4 is cysteine leukotrienes. This mainly acts on the LT1 and cysteine LT1 and LT2 receptors. These are the B4 receptors, mainly acts to BLT1 and BLT2. Cysteine receptors, there is the subcategories cysteine LT1 and LT2 receptors. Next come to this pharmacological actions of leukotrienes. Blood leukotriene B4 is a potent chemoattractant for neutrophils. C4, D4 are the potent chemoattractants for eosinophils. The C4-D4 is also promote eosinophil adherence, degranulation and oxygen radical formation. LTC4-D4, this mainly reduce the myocardial contractility and coronary blood flow. These are the potent chemoattractants for vascular smooth muscles. Next is role in GIT, leukotriene B4. This causes neutrophil chemotaxin that has been associated with inflammatory bowel disease. In bronchial smooth muscle, this causes bronchoconstriction, increased permeability and increased mucus secretion. LTE4 is a less potent compared to LTC4 and D4 but is longer acting. LTB4 is an important mediator in all types of inflammations. LTB4 can be found in inflammatory conditions like rheumatoid arthritis, psoriasis and ulcerative colitis. Next come to this leukotriene receptor antagonist. Now we see about the leukotriene synthesis from 5-LOX pathway. Then how to blocking this pathway. This leukotriene receptor antagonist, mainly this zeolitin. This mainly acts on the FLAP. These are the protein. These are main role in the lipoxygenase pathway. This blocking directly to this 5-LOX pathway. And another antagonist is cysteine LT1 antagonist, montelukast, cephalosporin, pranucast. This mainly acting through the cis LT1 receptors and is blocking this the production. The zeolitin is a 5-LOX enzyme inhibitor. This inhibits LOX pathway and blocks the synthesis of leukotrienes, useful in the treatment of bronchial asthma and allergic rhinitis, anti-inflammatory agent. It has a short duration of action and exhibit hepatotoxicity. Montelukast, safralukast, pranucast, all these blocks the actions of leukotriene C4 and D4 on bronchial and vascular smooth muscles. So they are useful as adjuvant in bronchial asthma. They are all effective orally. Okay, thank you. Thank you so much for your patient listening. This is my YouTube channel Easy Learning. Here I am uploading lots of videos with simple explanations. If you are interested, please go there, like, share and subscribe. Thank you.